Hello everyone, this is Prashant Tripathi, and in this lecture we will learn about information gathering. I will teach you some theoretical part about information gathering of ethical hacking, but we will learn practicals from the next tutorial. So what is information gathering? Information gathering before hacking any target, what we do is we collect the information of that target. We try to collect as much as information. All the information will be needed in the future. You will have to get the information like IP address and the DNS server they are using, and whether they are using any security hardwares like firewall and or web application firewalls, and many other things which are required to hack any target. So all these things are covered in information gathering techniques. Okay, so information gathering techniques, there are two types of information gathering techniques: active information gathering and passive information gathering. In active information gathering, basically you directly try to get the information of any host or your target. While in passive information gathering, you try to get the information of your target indirectly. Okay, so here I also written that in passive scanning you gather less information, but your action will be stealthy. This is also correct. In passive scanning you try to gather information, but you will not get the complete information. You will not directly interact with your target or the host, but what will happen, your action will be stealthy. You will be able to hide your information. Your information will not be disclosed. While in active scanning you get more information, but some devices may catch your actions. In active scanning, as I already said that in active scanning you try to interact with your target or host directly. So what will happen, they may have been installed some security related hardwares, so they may log your IP address informations or your host information. Basically they may log your host information. Okay, so we cannot say that which technique is better, because before hacking any target, both the techniques, active information gathering and passive information gathering, both techniques are used. So every hacker, even that is black hat hacker, white hat hacker or gray hat hacker, all of the hackers use both of the techniques. So here are the techniques: public websites, which is and domain name information, DNS analysis, route information, search engine utilization. Okay, so we will use both active and passive scanning using these methods. First is public websites. Second, first is public website. Second, domain name information. Third is DNS analysis. Fourth is route information. Fifth is search engine utilization. Basically, public websites tactic is a passive information gathering. Okay, you do not directly interact with your target. You use any public website, and that website will try to gather information from your target. Okay, domain name information, we will discuss how to get the domain name information, the owner of the domain, the server IP address of the domain, and DNS analysis, domain name server analysis, and route information. Route information means how my packets are going through the route. We will analyze the path through which the packets are going. We will analyze the route information. And search engine utilization. Search engine utilization. In this part, Google hacking also comes. Google hacking technique also comes in search engine utilization. Now you would be surprising, how may I hack Google? But this is also possible. I'm not saying that we will enter into the database and we will do whatever we want with the Google systems. We will access their databases. We will punch some SQL commands from here, and we will get all the data. This is not possible actually. You will have to do lots of research to find any bug in Google system, and then you will be able to hack Google system. But I hope you will get any bug in Google in future and win the bug bounty. But let's focus on our tutorial. So these 5 techniques we will discuss in information gathering, and we will use all the tools, nearly all the tools. As you can see, application in information gathering part, DNS analysis, lots of tools, DNSNM, DNSMap, DNSRecon, DNSTrace, Fierce, lots of tools are available. IDS, IPS. What is IDS and IPS mean? Intrusion detection system / IPS, intrusion prevention system. What intrusion detection system does? As I already told that in active scanning you get more information, but some devices may catch your action. What are the some devices? Those devices are IDS and IPS. So IDS and IPS both are hardware, okay, which is installed between outside of the world and the host computer or the server. You can say also server. So what the IDS does? Intrusion detection system detects whether someone is trying to gather the information, trying to hack into my system. It will only detect. What it will do? It will record all the data in log file, that this person was trying to get this information from this system. Okay, it will not warn, it will only log all the details. But IPS is very good thing. Actually, it's a must part for any company which is either a hosting company or any company or any organization. Many of the organizations use IPS, intrusion prevention system. So whenever someone tries to enter into your system or tries to get information about your system, suddenly the IPS blocks that IP address, the IP address which was trying to get the information about the system. Actually, IDS and IPS both works as a mediator. Whatever data comes from the outside world or goes from the host or server, these two devices checks all the packets. If they get that any packet is suspicious, they suddenly at the same point they block the traffic. And we will also see live host identification, network port scanner. Port scanning is also very important. We will discuss in our next lectures. And route analysis, what I told you, route information, that's route analysis. We will discuss in our next lecture. SMB analysis, SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol. Okay, SSL analysis, SNMP analysis, secure socket layer, that is SSL analysis. We will check about any website, whether that website is using what kind of SSL certificates, whether that SSL is using some weak key or strong key. So in information gathering techniques, I will try to cover as many as tools which are required to get information of any website. Okay, thank you. We will meet in our next lecture. If you get any problem, you can comment below. Okay, bye.